The Ram 3500 packs immense strength, dependability, comfort, and quality into a fully capable, heavy-duty truck that's ready and waiting to help you get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, locking limited slip differential, stability control. Feel solid and secure in the Ram 3500, the supersized heavy-duty truck that's ready to go to work. Test drive it today.